How to monetize your YouTube channel, make money on YouTube. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to monetize your YouTube channel and start making money. Whether you're a beginner or already growing your channel, this guide will help you understand the process. And let's get started. Monetizing your YouTube channel starts with meeting the eligibility requirements. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Or you can qualify with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours if YouTube Shorts revenue is included. Once you meet these conditions, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program to start earning money. Once your channel is approved, you can enable monetization on your videos and start earning through ad revenue, super chats, channel memberships, and even YouTube's Shorts Fund. Besides ads, there are multiple ways to increase your income. You can offer channel memberships, where viewers subscribe for exclusive perks, or accept super chats and stickers during live streams. To stay monetized, it's important to follow YouTube's policies and guidelines. Avoid copyright violations, maintain original content, and engage with your audience to keep growing your channel. That's how you can monetize your YouTube channel and start making money. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.